Which of the following is an important component of effective communication in a nursing home? A. Using complex medical jargon. B. Ignoring resident concerns. C. Speaking quickly and assertively. D. Active listening and empathy. The correct answer is option D. Which of the following is an important responsibility of a nursing home administrator? NHA? A. Managing facility operations and finances. B. Providing direct patient care. C. Conducting medical procedures. D. Implementing therapeutic interventions. The correct answer is option A. Which of the following is an important role of a nursing home administrator, NHA, in emergency preparedness? A. Providing direct patient care during emergencies. B. Coordinating evacuation procedures. C. Administering medications to residents. D. Performing medical procedures. The correct answer is option B. A facility which takes care of patients who do not require skilled nursing. A. Continuing care retirement facilities, CCRC. B. Assisted living facility, ALF. C. Intermediate care facility, ICF. D. Skilled nursing facility, SNF. The correct answer is option C.